Truck driver Liu Chuan is 33 years old this year. He drives a 6.8-meter refrigerated truck. He needs to transport a load of yogurt to Shenyang and Chongqing. Since yogurt contains active ingredients, the transportation timeliness requirements are extremely high. Liu Chuan locks the door and secures the cargo. The entire journey on the highway is approximately 1,450 kilometers. Before getting on the highway, he fills up the fuel tank. It is now 4:30 a.m. It's approximately 700 kilometers from Handan to Shan. Estimated arrival time is 2:30 p.m. The real challenge lies in the second half. He must drive through the night without sleeping. After adding urea, after crossing the Yellow River, the vehicle follows the northern side of the Qinling Mountains, westward. Xi'an is located in the heart of the Guanzhong Plain. Finally, he exits the highway at 2:15 p.m. Just 10 more kilometers of small roads. 10 kilometers doesn't sound long. There are cars and pedestrians ahead. The truck can only crawl forward at a snail's pace. At 3 p.m., he finally arrives at the unloading site. It's nearly half an hour late. Refrigerated truck drivers don't do much loading and unloading. When unloading, they just need to open the door and place the struts. He can go eat, but during loading, some Chongqing orders were mixed with Xi'an orders. There are 2 from order No. 9. Since last night's dinner, he hasn't had a proper meal. Irregular eating is normal for all truck drivers. Herniated discs and stomach problems have become the most common occupational diseases for truck drivers.
个肉米皮吧，2个肉夹馍，加一个凉皮儿。好，2个算一个凉的。3碗啊。好。把那个热的换成凉的。我得吃2碗。
Really hungry. Second, he knows what's coming is the real challenge. From Xi'an to Chongqing, the journey is long and time is tight. He won't have time for dinner. So the second bowl is his dinner in advance. So far, everything seems fine. 2 unexpected troubles await him ahead. Next, he needs to prepare for the overnight drive. From Xi'an to Chongqing, preparations include: first, buying betel nuts to stay awake. Second, seizing every minute to sleep. At 5:30 p.m., prepares to depart for Chongqing. But the first problem arises. After the receiver takes inventory, they find 6 pieces of goods missing. But logistics hasn't actively resolved, causing the driver to detain.
那你们就回复咱就司机别走，咱就在这耗着啊！我早就给你一到了我就给你们发了，但是没让答复，理都没让理。你把单
This makes the already tight schedule even more urgent.
您拨叫客户正在通话。
Finally, 10 minutes later, the issue is resolved. Now we have to take the Jinken route, the most difficult road, crossing the Qinling Mountains. Originally planned to take Bomao Expressway, but due to a severe accident on Bomao Expressway, the road has been closed for 12 hours. The Chongqing receiver is urging for timely delivery. Helplessly, Liu Chuan has to switch to Jinkan Expressway. Jinkan is much more challenging. With an altitude drop of 1,200 meters, even driving non-stop on this route will take until 4 a.m. The Chongqing receiver requires arrival by 4 a.m. This means he won't have a break for the next 11 hours. No sleeping allowed. As I worry about his upcoming overnight drive, Liu Chuan is preparing to turn onto the highway ramp, cutting him off to overtake. Regarding this behavior, Liu Chuan and I both entering the mountainous area. All mountain roads, all mountainous terrain. "18 kilometers long. "332 kilometers of uphill and downhill. Speed limited to 60 kilometers per hour. Can't drive fast." Looking ahead through the windshield, the Qinling Mountains loom ahead as the dividing line between North and South China. The Qinling blocks cold northern air from southward. The southern side is southern China. The northern side is northern China. At 6:40 p.m., he begins navigating the Great Countless tunnels passed, countless mountains crossed. Finally, he exits the Qinling at 8:20 p.m. As the vehicle continues south, time creeps into the night. I dozed off and woke up repeatedly in the passenger seat. Each time I woke, he was chewing betel nuts. To stay awake, he had no other choice. Arrives at G93 Goaksan toll station. Along the way, he chewed 2 large bags of betel nuts. Finally reaches the destination. After unloading, he sends a photo of the delivery note to logistics. The delivery is officially complete. Next, he will go to Shuangfu International Food Trade where he will wait for goods bound for Kunming. But before the afternoon loading notice, he needs to catch up on sleep because he'll have to drive overnight again tonight. While I will go to Chongqing railway station to take a train home. Here, trucks waiting for goods are parked densely from all over the country, just like Liu Chuan. After a brief encounter here, they head to different destinations.